na, na, ba, na,
Ate, can you read it fast?
ga, balyena. What's English like this?
Ate, it's banana. Even me, I know that eh.
Wow, wow. Looks like we have a future teacher here. Mike, pwede mo na siyang turuan.
Ma'am, she's still having hard time reading. Kahit mga signs sa tindahan, nakakaisip tayo siya.
That case, we need to have a reading. But don't worry, walang pressure dito. Learn can be fun.
Introducing Project Basa. Bata angat sa sariling abilidad. A simple, fun, and effective reading program for young learners.
But always remember, class, learning to read takes time. Every child can succeed. You can succeed. Step by step, walang paunahan. Nagkakaintindihan ba?
Through phonics, storytelling, and interactive activities, children learn step by step. Parang level up lang si King.
Tate, tito, tu. Tita.
Ano ba yan? Basahin mo kasi!
Hindi ko nga alam.
Ulit!
Tate, tito, tu. Mama.
Ano ba yan? Basahin mo kasi! Di mo naman kasi alam! Ulit!
Tate, tito, tu. Tito.
Ulitin mo.
Tito.
These strategies build confidence, comprehension, and a love for reading from ha to aha moments.
Uy, bro! I know how to read. Pabilisan tayo magbasa. Ano, tara?
Sige nga.
In a small village, there was a boy named Alex. He loved playing outside. One day, he found a magic book. The book said, "Trees are our friends. They give us air to breathe."
Galing!
Wow, you really improve a lot.
Keep it up, ha? We're so proud of you.
Reading is the foundation of all learning. When a child learns to read, they unlock endless opportunities, from books to big dreams.